Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use a Fidelity Health Savings Account or HSA. A Fidelity HSA is a tax-advantaged savings account that allows you to set aside money for medical expenses on a tax-free basis. To get started, you must be enrolled in a high-deductible health plan to be eligible for a Fidelity HSA. First, open a Fidelity HSA account online or by phone. You will need to provide personal and employment information, as well as choose your investment options. Fidelity offers a range of investment options, including mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and individual stocks. Once your account is open, you can contribute to your Fidelity HSA via payroll deductions or by making individual contributions. The annual contribution limits vary, so be sure to check the current limits. Contributions to a Fidelity HSA are tax-deductible, and the money grows tax-free. To use your Fidelity HSA, simply log into your account online or use the Fidelity mobile app. You can use your HSA funds to pay for qualified medical expenses, such as doctor visits, prescriptions, and hospital stays. You can also use your HSA to pay for non-medical expenses, but you will be required to pay income tax and a penalty. It is essential to keep receipts for all qualified medical expenses, as you may need to provide documentation if you are audited. You can also use your Fidelity HSA to invest in a range of assets, allowing your money to grow over time. Best practices for using a Fidelity HSA include contributing as much as possible, investing your contributions, and keeping track of your expenses. You should also educate yourself on what expenses are eligible for reimbursement and keep accurate records. In summary, a Fidelity HSA is a valuable tool for saving for medical expenses on a tax-free basis. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of your Fidelity HSA and ensure a healthier financial future.